going to teach today how to do the upside down basic, because lots of people ask me how you did it. And now I find easier way, when the people start it, or even you 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years old, you still can do it. How? Okay, so just follow me. Put your hands down, the wall, right? The door. Okay, so you go to your door and then put your hands down, and then you lift your feet, right? Yeah, and then you put on this feet on there, and then other feet just follow. That's all, and then you can do left arm. Okay, so what is good about when you do this? Your blood circulation and good for your heart, liver, colon, even stomach, right? You digest is very good, and then when your blood circulation to your head, you have good memory and good eyes, nose, ears. Your everything is come out good because blood is come to your head, right? And you have a good skin too. When you're getting older, right, you have saggy face, and then your skin, you're tight, make you tight and natural skin, and just every day, just keep doing if you have time, or if you don't have time, you can do Saturday, or every month or yearly. Just keep going, and I know. Everybody want healthy, right? Okay, this is healthy channel. You can pray, like, and press the icon. You will get a new video update. It's for your healthy, okay? Thank you. I love you all. Keep going. You will get more healthy. And then look younger, right? Healthy young. Now you know.